So can I talk or you want me to stay quiet? Because I want to say what's going on with Binghamton.
I can barely hear that.
Huh?
I can barely hear you. Very, very low key.
Okay,
All right,
so Binghamton.
why don't you just let him talk us through what's going on in Connecticut?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Well, basically, I just wanted to discuss what we're going to be doing, that's all.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I see that the porch, it just needs some fixing in the ceiling, and the rail's got to be fixed. And the steps got to be fixed. Right? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Do they have gloves on? Weeks?
That's it?
Do they have gloves on?
Yeah, they have gloves on.
Okay.
You want to walk us through the apartment and through the process of us bringing this entire, I guess, house up to speed so that we can pass the Section 8 inspection?
Well, I tell you what, you got a lot of work to be done for Section 8. A lot of work. All is going to be done, right?
Yep. So what do we have to do with the steps? What's the plan with the steps, first and foremost?
We got to fix all these things out of it. We got to fix these treads. You got to fix that tread. That tread is damaged. Then we got to take up all this concrete shit. Yeah, you got to fix this. We got to fix the handrail. You got to fix the ceiling as well. The porch is not going to be too bad as far as structurally. Not going to be too bad as far as structurally. But just got to fix a few things, the ceiling, the rails, and stuff like that. Give it a good paint, scrape and paint. Up the stairs here. Got to give it a coat and paint in here too as well. Got to paint the stairs as well too. This we got to fix. The handrail got to fix a little bit. That's loose. We got to do some patching. We got to fix this board. This is a paneling, so.
Yeah, how would you go about fixing that?
This one here we could when people sell these in the paneling, so we could put these paneling back and give it a full shape.
Oh, so that shouldn't require too much then.
No, this one is cheap. All right. So more patching needs to be done. I don't know if this goes quick like this, but you know what we can do here. That's as much as we go with the door. I can't be seen all the way out. It's too small. All right?
Yep.
This is the kitchen. You got to change the cabinets, correct?
Yes, correct.
Cabinets got to go. The flooring is a missing tile. It's not too bad. I'm not sure if you can find these tiles, so we can replace some tiles that are missing. But it's not too bad. If you can find these tiles, you can replace them. The missing ones. But these paneling got to fix.
Do you think those floors need to be replaced?
I don't think it can be replaced. I don't think so. I think it's pretty good for this situation. We just got to replace. We just got to find and repair these missing ones. If we can find them. But the floor looks decent. All throughout, it looks decent. Right? Doesn't look too bad.
Are there any like soft spots as you're walking?
No, I don't feel any soft spots in it.
We need a bunch of GFCI. We need about 6 of them for that area that you're walking through now, and definitely new cabinets, new countertop, and I don't think we need to replace the refrigerator. It was still working. We just need to clean it out. I'm not sure about the stove. I couldn't turn it on for some reason,
You can turn it on.
and I prefer for people to have electric stoves anyway.
So you want to put electric stove?
No, I'm just saying that's in general. But I don't know if that turns on. It didn't turn on. Oh, at least one of the pilots didn't. I didn't try the others.
Yeah, I'll check it out. Maybe the gas is off.
Maybe. What
Okay,
about?
so this time gotta be quick.
So are we replacing the panels and then painting them, or are we replacing that with drywall?
We could go over it. If you want a different look, we could definitely go over it.
When you say go over it, what do you mean?
Like a 4-inch sheet rock if there's anything. If it looks too bad. Replacing this panel definitely would do more work. See how it looks already?
Yeah, we just need to get it. We want it to look good, but we need to get it done as soon as possible because the
Yeah.
Section 8 process takes long enough, and we know we're gonna need at least 2 weeks to a month for them to inspect and complete that process.
Yeah, so maybe what we'll do is we take this little section out. And probably just repair the front for the end of it. Yeah. This one is pretty good. There's nothing wrong with this one. You know, this room over here, this is the laundry room. What's gonna happen with these cabinets?
I don't know if we need to remove them because that provides extra storage space. If they're not broken, we don't need to change them.
Right. I guess we just gotta scrape and paint for all this chipping paint stuff, just in case.
Yeah, better safe than sorry.
This side didn't look too bad either. The flooring didn't look too bad. This is clean it. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but the side it's not broken, it's just the tile is a little damaged.
We also have to keep in mind the back steps, the back staircase. What about the bathroom? How was the bathroom?
The bathroom,
I didn't think there was much wrong. I love the classic look of the tub, the Crawford tub, but I just think water bill.
what do you mean to turn it up?
No, we're not gonna change it or anything. What about that toilet? Do you think that toilet needs to be replaced?
Oh, yeah, it should. It doesn't look too bad. You know what? You could change the seat cover. Give it a good clean up and see what happens. It doesn't look too bad. What do you think?
I think that's fine.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
If we could bring it back to life, we don't need to replace it. I don't need to spend $200
Yeah,
on material.
you know, this cabinet here.
That could be updated.
This could be updated. This could be updated.
Okay.
The lighting is, we have one like that. We have one like that. I mean,
Look,
you can check this switch and see if I can put a GX right in there.
but I don't know if they're gonna request that because that's an outlet.
Not a problem.
What about any other outlets in the bathroom?
There's only one, that's it. There ain't no outlets in there. In the bathroom, is it?
Yeah, there's no other outlets next to the sink, within 6 feet of the sink.
No outlets in there.
Okay.
No, that's it. That's it. The windows look pretty good. This floor's not bad.
So it's really just a fresh paint of coat, replacing some
Yes.
of the panels, trying to see
Yes.
if we can find, I guess, the tile. That'll probably be
Yes.
a pack. We definitely need to do something with that door, the doorknob
Yeah.
at minimum. When you step out onto the deck, do you notice the slope? What are your thoughts on that?
That is just slope and that's the way to build these decks. Back in the days with such a great slope. So the water can run off. You know, but it's not bad. See that one over there, the same. That one is really, really, that one over there is really bad. I guess it's the same.
But we would have to paint that entire deck, correct?
Yeah. Yep.